Before you can interpret your destiny, you need to create your birth chart. This chart is a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment you were born, capturing the positions of the planets, the sun, and the moon. It serves as a cosmic blueprint that can reveal insights about your personality, strengths, challenges, and life path. To get started, gather your birth details, the date, time, and place of your birth. Enter this information into an online birth chart generator. Make sure to double-check the accuracy of your data, as even a small error can lead to incorrect interpretations. Once you have your birth chart, you can begin to explore the deeper meanings behind the celestial patterns and how they influence your life. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. To begin your astrological journey, you'll need to gather some essential details about your birth. Specifically, you need your exact birth date, the precise time you were born, and the location of your birth. These details are crucial because even a few minutes can make a significant difference in your astrological chart. The position of the planets and stars changes rapidly, and this can affect the accuracy of your reading, so try to be as precise as possible. If you're unsure of the exact time, check your birth certificate or ask a family member who might know. Sometimes, hospitals keep records of birth times, so you might want to contact them as well. Remember, the more accurate your information, the more insightful and personalized your astrological reading will be. Take your time to gather these details carefully before moving on to the next step. Websites like astro.com or apps like CoStar are great for generating birth charts. Enter your personal details into the astrology tool now. Understanding your birth chart layout. Once generated, your birth chart will look like a circle divided into 12 segments, or houses, with planets scattered throughout. Each of these houses represents different areas of your life, such as career, relationships, and personal growth. The planets within these houses influence how you experience these aspects. Don't worry if it seems complicated. It's normal to feel overwhelmed at first. Birth charts are rich with information, and it takes time to understand all the details. Think of it as learning a new language. We'll guide you through understanding it step by step. We'll start by breaking down the basics, like what each house represents and how the planet's positions affect your life. With patience and practice, you'll be able to read your birth chart with confidence. So let's embark on this fascinating journey together and unlock the secrets written in the stars just for you. Your birth chart is now ready. Next, we'll learn about your big three: sun, moon, and rising signs, and what they reveal about you. Stay tuned to decode your cosmic identity.